Want to make perfect pizza dough? 5 balls ready to rise, from ball to base with satisfying result. Take water into a bowl, dry yeast, honey, flour, mix well for 4 to 5 minutes, cover and let it rest. Into another bowl take water, add that poolish, stir until dissolves, add flour. Salt, mix properly until combines, transfer the dough to table, knead until smooth and incorporated, cover and rest for 15 minutes, then oil your hand lightly, lift the dough, stretching it out, form 5 dough balls, place the balls in the tray 3 fingers apart, oil on the top to prevent sticking, cover with plastic wrap, rest for 2 hours at room temperature, uncover them and dust table with flour, place dough on table and press center gently, transfer to a baking paper, spread tomato sauce, add sausage, cheese, mozzarella, put olive oil on the edges, bake at 300 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes, take out and top with fresh basil. If this video was helpful and you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel, because here we don't cook normal, we cook at next level.